Hello, today we will guide you through how to check old Zoom meeting history. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Zoom homepage. This is where you can access your account dashboard and find the meeting information connected to your profile. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so your meeting records will be available. Starting from the Zoom homepage helps ensure you are in the right place before looking through past activity. Once you are on the Zoom homepage, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Meetings. This section is where Zoom organizes your scheduled, upcoming, and past meetings. If you are trying to find details from an older session, this is the main area you will need. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this menu can make it easier to move around Zoom in the future as well. After opening the Meetings section, click on Previous. This tab shows your older meetings instead of your upcoming ones. It is especially useful if you need to review meetings you already attended or hosted. Depending on your account and usage, you may see a list of recent past meetings here. This view can help you confirm meeting names, dates, and other basic history details. Next, open the Zoom app on your computer. Moving from the browser to the desktop app can be helpful if you want to continue working directly inside Zoom after checking your previous meeting list online. Make sure the app is fully launched and ready before moving on. If the app takes a few seconds to load, just wait until the main interface appears. Finally, click on Join. This option allows you to enter a meeting through the Zoom app. If you are using information from your previous meeting history to reconnect, this is the point where you would proceed in the desktop application. Be sure to enter the correct meeting details if prompted, and double-check anything copied from your meeting history so you join the right session. And that's it. By going to the Zoom homepage, opening Meetings, selecting Previous, launching the Zoom app, and choosing Join, you can quickly review old Zoom meeting history and continue from there as needed. If you plan to do this often, keeping both the Zoom website and app updated can help everything work more smoothly.